Are you ready to join the ride?
You are now stepping on the starting line of the race.
Welcome to a final day of games.
Here at Jolly Race! Yay! Ayan, bago tayo pumasok sa birthday celebration ni Aizen, patingin naman natin siya ng mas malakas na happy birthday! And 3, 2, 1, happy birthday, Aizen! Yay! Come on, enter everyone!
Enter everyone na. Enter everyone, pati mga ating kulang.
And just a few minutes. Ayan, available po ang ating mga party hats dyan. Everyone, buckle up and experience Jolly Rain!
Jolly Town theme park is open. Jollibee and friends are coming. Fun rides are moving. Going for lights are dancing. Jolly Town theme park, here we come. Everywhere the kids are exciting. All of the rides are thrilling. Smiles and laughter, ending ever after. In Jolly Town theme park, we're having fun. Jolly-Town-theme-park, come on friends, marching together, there's so much to see at Jolly-Town theme park, oh jolly, jolly day, happy, happy day, jolly, happy day, oh jolly, happy day, let's all come and play.
Hello everyone, I'm your party host, Kia Dexter, and this is
Nice. And to formally start this party, my request. Okay, si Ma'am Romela.
Okay, ano ba yung masasabi ni Daddy aside from their presence, Daddy? Ano ba yung masasabi mo sa ating mga guests ngayon na nakidalo sa birthday celebration ni Aizen?
Bali, ano yung isa? Okay. So, una-una, may sa'yo buhatan ako sa pagka-celebrate ni Aizen. Baka mo yung ingon, di ba? Ang ingon is, pag-celebrar mo, ang first, o ang 7. So, kahuna-una yun, so pwede na ito buhato. Tapos, nag-diskurso man, wala ko yung sa plano magpa-General Santos City. Pero, wala man. Ano man, di man ako masunod. Di man ako masunod. So, katong pagplano na mo, medyo anak siya na, uy, di pang yun si Aizen na may gusto ani. Ang ingon pa nila, it's always, the celebration is, celebrate yun na sa kung unsa ang gusto sa nanay o tatay. So, nakita mo ron, so nakita may venue na pwede na mo ikakamos kay Aizen. So, tapos childhood dream ang gina nila mag-igsoon nila din na Jollibee birthday. So karon, na-plaster na lang yun. si Aizen mag-birthday sa Jollibee. So, bao na, backstory na sa among pagmuna-una kung saan nato ni pag-birthday sa bata. Pero kato, nakatiri. Salamat kayo sa pagtungha.
Okay, tingnan natin kay Mommy.
Ay, ako, short lang. Thank you guys for coming. Sobrang appreciate namin yung time and effort sa pagpunta dito. Para kay Aizen, panganay namin. So, yun lang. Thank you guys. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. Tours na kayo dito. Pero yun, mag-enjoy tayo. At magpakabusog sa Jollibee.
Hi Aizen. Just develop that patience because I know that's one of the traits that you got from me, being patient. And always look forward to things, the bright side of things. When things get frustrating and irritating, Daddy always tells you, what does Daddy tell you? Always look at the best. The best and the brightest and the bright side of things. Okay. And we've always discussed that because we, on the way to school, I dropped him to school and we have those conversations. And aside from teaching Aizen Tagalog words, there's always those times that we may talk to each other because we may ask some questions like this. So Aizen, continue to be obedient, son. Always be happy. Daddy and Mommy will be here along with Mama Mel and Papa Steve and Tito Pogs. And always remember that there are people around you that loves you, aside from God. Okay? Okay, enjoy your 7th birthday.
Alright, okay. Hindi, dapat marinig natin yung kay Mommy. Okay, Mommy, it's your turn. Ano ba yung birthday wish ni Mommy?
To Aizen, because his name comes from the word from the Japanese word, I means love, tama ba? And Zen means God. So God of love. That's why his name Aizen. So to Aizen, baka mayak.
Yak na.
To Aizen, I always think that we always love you. We always love you. Whatever happens, we'll be here for you. We'll protect you. We'll support you. Just always tell mommy and daddy what you want, what's in your heart. And then what I wish for you is good health. Okay? Good health. And then, sana you'll grow as strong as daddy, as smart and brave as daddy, and as lovable as well. Ano pa ba? Ayun lang. Wish you all the best, Aizen.
To Aizen, I'm so happy to be here. Maybe it's the first time we're meeting, but I know your mommy. Inaanak ko siya. And then glad also to meet your dad, si Daddy Andrew, and then the whole family with Kiana. Of course, we feel very special because you came home and to celebrate your birthday with us. And I can only wish you all the best for a future that's bound in love. The family is here. Your Lolo and Lola. We are the old Barcadas here in the Philippines. So we look forward, even if you are away, that you grow as the man that God envisioned you to be. And happy birthday. We love you.
Yes.
13th birthday, ang pinaka-next milestone, no? So sana dito ka rin mag-celebrate ulit sa Pilipinas. We love you, Aizen, and God bless you always. Okay?
Boy, always say your parents.
Okay.
Birthday si Aizen here at Jollibee. Okay, tatlo? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, tatlo tayo. Okay, parang nahihiya yung ibang kids natin. Okay, nahihiya ata. How about si Kuya dyan? Okay, let's join Kuya. Play tayo ng game. Okay, sino pa? Kulang pa kami ng 1 player. Okay, 2 adult daw. Yung last player natin. 2 adult. Sino mag-volunteer? Teenagers. Okay, 2 teenagers. Okay, taga-apat po. Continue to play. Okay, continue na natin yung ating play. Paglalulog. Okay, pabilisan tayo mamaya. Dapat mabilis kayo, ha? Okay, go, go, go! Go, Kuya Nia! Pasok, Kuya Nia! Go, go, go! Pasok! Ayan, no? Go, okay naman sa ating Kiana. Okay, pasok ating Kiana. Let's go! Okay, go, go, go! Pasok, Kuya Nia! Okay, sino yung last player natin dyan? Si Kuya Tomas at si Kuya Locho. Okay, last player na lahat. Last player, let's go! Okay, go, 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 Kuya Aizen! Okay, kaya lang pa yan. 3, 2, 1, and go!
Ano talaga si Dian?
Go, go, go!
Oh,
Go,
wow!
go, go, Kuya Dian!
Galing!
Okay, habal-habal natin Johnny Walter. Ayan, mukhang nangunguna na ang team ni Kuya Johnson.
Go, go, go!
Go, go, go! Okay, go, 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 Kuya Liam Walter. Okay, habal-habal tayo dyan. Ate Kiana. Walter, go, go, go! Okay naman, ang cute. Okay, go, go, go!
Go, go!
Ayan, habal-habal Kuya Aizen. Ayan, nangunguna na ang team ni Kuya Johnson.
Go, go!
Okay, Buster. Go, go, go! Buster, Kuya Lucio, habal-habal. Buster. Ayan, ang hulo.
Yes!
Pag-isan.
Yes!
Okay, last player na lang. Last player. Okay, go, go, go. Last player. Okay, and... Okay, and stop. Ano mga players, guys? Okay, players, raise your 2 hands. Okay, atas muna natin ito. Okay, go, go, go! Okay, go, go, go! Hawak mo lang doon. Dapat hindi yan ang putol. Yung balon pilar, dapat nakapangalan lahat. Okay, go, go, go yung balon. Okay, tuloy ka lang balik na ako ng tao. Continue to play. Go, go, go! Okay, nangunguna na ang team. Okay, last team. Habol-habol Bubi. Go, go, go! Okay, fourth player na. Okay, na-fourth player na. Okay, balik na tayo. Okay, balik. Okay, listen na po. Okay, listen na po. May chance ang blue team. Since ni Botong. 9. Okay, pag putok yan ha, talo kayo. Okay, ready? Players ready? Music's ready? And 3, 2, 1, and go! Go, go, go! Okay, bawal-bawak ka ba doon? Taas ng kamay. Okay, players, go, go, go! Okay, lumang tayo natin mga players. Okay, go, go, go! Habol-habol! Okay, third player, go, go! red team?
Good job, good job.
Problema na ng age. Age month. Okay, bakit may kasamang laman yan?
Ba't may laman to? Di ba ito sinapunutan?
Makamakal ko yan.
Your prizes.
Okay, meron pa tayong prize na.
Meron pa tayong isang prize.
Okay, so prize na lang guys. Okay, trivia question naman tayo.
Pili na natin.
Okay, first and last trivia natin. Okay, kailan eksaktong ipinanganak si Aizen? Month, date, and year.
Okay, eksaktong araw ng pinanganak si
Si Aizen.
Aizen.
Month, date, and year. Okay, so nakikit natin. Let's go.
Okay, anyone from our guest?
Okay,
Wala
kayo
ba?
sa ating mga adult. Sino?
Okay.
Alam.
Parang walang nakakaalam. Okay, meron ba? Mukhang wala. Pwede yan, mukhang wala.
Okay, parang wala. Okay, complete name na lang ni Aizen.
Complete name na lang ni
With
Aizen.
the initial.
Wala rin nakala.
Okay, si Kuya. Tara dito. Kuya, let's go.
Okay, tingnan natin si Kuya.
Okay, si Kuya Liam.
Okay.
Okay, October 5, 2018.
Okay, tama ba yung
Okay, tama ba yun, Mami? Okay, tama. Bigyan natin ng prize. Nag-effort naman si Kuya Liam. Kaya, thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Alright, happy.
Mga adult naman. Mga gutom na lahat.
Okay, jolly afternoon, everyone. I hope you enjoy your Jolly Week favorites and masyado natin fun, exciting and memorable ang birthday celebration Aizen here at Jolly Legal Drive dahil may mga Sprite Town. Ayan, kaya naman everyone, sa ating mga kids dyan, sabay na ako mag-countdown. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, please welcome ang cheerleader na nagaling pa sa Jolly Town, walang iba kundi si Hetty!
Cute.
Ayan, hi Hetty! And welcome naman natin sa Hetty everyone! And ang susunod naman ay ang mahilig sa sing and dance. Walang iba kundi si Boy! Oh, ang pretty naman ni Boy! At syempre, ang susunod naman ay ang mahilig sa gadgets. Walang iba kundi si John! At syempre, ang last but not the least, ang best friend ko, best friend mo, best friend natin lahat, ang bida din siya. Walang iba kundi si Jollibee!
Andun sila.
Ayan, hi, Jolly Friends! Ayan, mag-email sa ating mga guests dyan. Sa ating mga kids dyan. Especially to our birthday student, Cousin Aizen.
Naku, yaka-yaka.
Hi, Jolly Friends!
Amazing yan.
Ayan, picture-taking na muna yung ating Jolly Friends to our birthday celebrant. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Aizen. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Alright, once again, happy birthday, Aizen. At bago mo i-blow ang iyong candle, nabalitot mo naman. Okay, palakpakan natin si Hattie, guys. Okay, how about, sino ba yung susunod? Okay, mukhang ito na si Yam. Okay. Okay. Yam, for your second wish, na si Aizen ay mas lumaking, pogi, at macho, like Yam, and everybody. Alright, bakit walang pumapalakpak? Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga Jolly Friends. Okay, para naman sa ating next wishes para kay Twirly. Okay, tignan natin. Okay, mukhang malandi rin to. Okay, para kay Twirly na. Okay, para sa iyong wish na si Aizen ay mas lumaking, strong, and healthy like Twirly, Mommy, and everybody. Okay. Okay, palakpakan natin. Okay, para sa yung last wish na si Aizen ay mas lumaking, na wag kakain sa joke lang. Baka marinig tayo ng McDo, Jollibee. Ang kulit mo talaga, Jollibee. At Aizen, pwede mo lang i-blow. And blow! Aizen! Baka natin si Aizen. One and tada! Isang Jollibee lang para sa ating birthday celebrant na si Aizen. Alright. At para po sa ating mga guests dyan na gustong makabanding ang ating